First of all, natural hormones differ from synthetic by the very molecular structure. So fundamentally, a natural hormone has a particular structure. A bioidentical hormone has the same structure as the natural hormones that the body produces. So they're essentially derived from plant materials such as soya, yams. They're modified to be exactly the same molecular structure that we produce innately in our bodies. Bioidentical. That molecular configuration is seen by the body, and it does seem that the body reacts to that molecular structure in a different way to a synthetic molecule. So a synthetic molecule is a structure which may look like the original molecule, but has been modified chemically in order. So it's essentially a chemical that becomes patentable because it's a non-natural molecule. Now, it may have some of the same benefits as the natural molecule, but the problem is because it's a modified molecule, the body will recognize it in a different way, tends to produce more untoward effects than the native molecule does. So in simple terms, that's the difference between a natural hormone and a synthetic hormone. The way the body will handle a natural hormone can be completely different to how it handles a synthetic. For example, that one. If you take a synthetic progesterone, or progestin if you like, the way the effects in the body can be completely different to a natural progesterone. So, for example, a synthetic progesterone we know increases risk of blood thickening and increases the risk of coagulation, whereas a natural progesterone doesn't have that effect at all. A synthetic progestin we know can increase the risk of breast cancer, whereas natural progesterone from the studies tends to have the opposite effect, has anti-cancer action. So clearly, the way the body reacts to a natural hormone can be completely opposite ends of the spectrum. That's just the way that the body is geared to react to in terms of its receptors or break down that hormone. It will differ according to what that molecular configuration is. So, and that's what we see. And there are lots of studies, even recent studies, which show that the profile of natural hormones in terms of their effect, their physiology, compared to synthetic hormones, can be completely different.